Not real.
What's up, everybody? This is Mike at J-Tech this evening. Today I'm going to show you MIG welding. You gotta have iPro, basic iPro, hand pro. Yep, hand pro. We're going to have our MIG machine right here. We got our gas already on. We got the volt set on E. Our speed set good on the wire right here, as you can see right there. And we got an on button right there. You turn the on button on, you got power in you, nice and hot. Now, what you would do is get a nice clean area. I got like a pretty decently kind of clean area right there. And what we're gonna do is, as you see right when you touch it, you get a nice little arc. So we're gonna have a little V. See what it did right there? V down, and show you the weld afterwards. Make sure whenever you're getting ready to weld, put your face shield down so you can see and not burn your eyes. Huh? That's your bead right there. As you can hear, the machine's messing up over there. And you can see it's self-fed right there. So let's see, I got this good stuff. Good job. If you got too much like that, you should always have a pair of pliers nearby or snips. Cut it. Like this. You can run it again with your hand pro. See, you want to try to maintain that close of a distance. If you get too close, it'll backfeed in there. See how that tip, how the metal kind of melted right there? That could actually end up on the tip, and it'll just mess the machine up, and it'll take more time to do that, fix it, all that stuff. So try to keep it like that. It should be good. The faster you move, the more it will mushroom cap up like that. The slower you move, it'll kind of dissipate. You gotta keep the heat going, and all that good stuff. Well, hope this was somewhat informative, and I hope you all have a great night. This has been Mike.